If you still feel that saving is the best way to get rich in 2025, then you have already lost the game. If you think the secret to get rich in 2025 is working hard, sorry, my friend, you've already lost the game. So if you're still following the save, invest, retire formula in 2025, you're actually doing this for 1995. हाँ मेरे दोस्त, जिंदगी बदल चुकी है. We are 30 years ahead of that. This formula used to work back in the days when things were different and the world was moving slowly. Right now, the speed at which the world is moving, the speed at which AI is moving, overnight industries are being disruptive. Everything is changing so fast that this formula doesn't work. Back in the days कहते थे कि अपनी इनकम का या सैलरी का 10% इन्वेस्ट करो मार्केट में and retire at the age of 60. This doesn't work anymore. The game has completely changed and people are following a complete different rule book now. So old formula क्या होता था? टाइम का मतलब है जॉब, जॉब का मतलब है इनकम, इनकम से होगी सेविंग, सेविंग से होगी इन्वेस्टमेंट और इन्वेस्टमेंट से होगी रिटायरमेंट. दिस यूज्ड टू बी द लीनियर वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट इज़ द मोस्ट पेनफुली स्लो वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. बिकॉज क्या होता है, इससे हम जो भी जोड़ते हैं वी डोंट रियलाइज दैट इन्फ्लेशन इज ईटिंग इट अप. वी डोंट रियली एंड अप सेविंग मनी. दिस यूज टू वर्क एज आई सेड बैक इन द डेज. अब ये बिल्कुल काम नहीं करता. एक तरफ इन्फ्लेशन इज ट्रबलिंग अस, दूसरी तरफ जॉब्स आर वेरी अनस्टेबल एंड मार्केट की वोटालिटी की तो बात क्या करें, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली क्रेजी. सो इफ यू आर स्टिल इन्वेस्टिंग दिस वे, then trust me, you are going slower, your savings or your growth is going slower than the inflation and you will end up increasing your cost of living. तो ये formula तो अब बिल्कुल नहीं चल सकता at any cost. Now let's talk about the new wealth formula that I strongly believe in. जिस तरीके से चीज़ें चल रही हैं, 3 चीज़ें चाहिए आपको to have this formula in place. First is the AI leverage. Second is your networking skill. And third is your content skill. Let me explain you all 3 of them. When I say AI leverage, you need to create something which works automatically even when you are sleeping. जैसे फर्ज करते हैं that you create an AI agent, you create AI automations for people. So you need to create something which you can sell after your creation, something that can be sold multiple times to multiple people and can make revenue for you, and keep evolving, keep making something new, keep learning something new, and that is what is required. Secondly, something that is required is network. Now what is network capital? Is your relationship with people. How good and how strong your relationship is what will create wealth for you. Yes, you heard me right. जितनी आपकी रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रांग होगी, जितना आप अपने आप को लोगों के सामने रखोगे, यू विल टेल पीपल व्हाट यू आर ऑल अबाउट. दैट इज व्हाट विल चेंज द गेम. एंड नंबर 3 इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन अबाउट योरसेल्फ. Creating a personal brand, telling people that what exactly are your capabilities, creating so much content for yourself in terms of your work, your expertise, your learnings, that tomorrow that content can be monetized online. So do you really realize how AI, networking and content are getting your wealth generators? This is the new formula of creating wealth, and so much wealth, unlimited wealth can be created with this, so that you don't really have to work to create wealth. So simple है, 3 चीज़ें चाहिए: स्किल, सिस्टम और विजिबिलिटी. स्किल ले आओ, टेक ले आओ, सिस्टम्स ले आओ, and visibility. Create and increase your visibility and you see how the magic happens. You leverage tech, you create relationships and be visible to the world. सीधी बात यह है that the old formula works better for institutions, people who are selling that, and less for individuals. स्कूल जो है वो एक आपको अच्छी जॉब और एक अच्छी सैलरी लेने वाला एम्प्लॉय बना देता है, whereas they don't teach you what will you do so that you create an income for you which works for you even when you are sleeping. So सोच के देखो, ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें जो हैं, they are working for institutions and not for individuals. Also, it is easier to sell this to you because you know it, you've heard it from your parents, your ancestors. तो बेचने को भी ज़्यादा आसान है, समझाना भी नहीं पड़ता और मेहनत भी नहीं करनी पड़ती. So the new formula is harder to teach. You know why? Because it takes experimentation, adaptability and uniqueness to create it for you. Most wealth gurus will always give you outdated advices. Why? Because they want your money to be in banks and institutions which go under a slow growth, which is sometimes even slower than the inflation. So if you really want to be wealthy in 2025, stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an asset builder. Identify करो अपना skill set, create that, build system around it, be visible and scale it. Make something, create something which creates wealth for you even when you are not working. Keep evolving, keep working on it, keep doing things that will work this way. Money only follows value and solution to a problem in 2025. Add value in people's life and solve a problem for them. You have already won the game. So just ask yourself, are you still playing the old game or you have already evolved and into the new game? I make this content with a lot of love and care for all of you. My humble request, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with people who will like this. Until then, it's your friend, Sumit Khubchandani.